Hello, my name is Ving Tumani. I'm here presenting to you today the solutions to your muscle man gym data issues. A few things you asked me a few problems you had from you, it's just for me to solve, or to keep track of your customers, to keep track of the membership level, keeping track of workout class schedules, the equipment that is needed for each class, the trainers and the classes they teach, and the workouts and the customers in that class. In the next slide, I have for you the database design. I feel that this is the best design for your database. As you can see on the right here, I have the person table, which a person, employee or a customer can be a person, and then your employees can be a trainer. So I have these tables linked, and then I also created a table for your trainers' certificates so that you know what certificates they have and what they are trained to do. On the left-hand side of this database, I have the equipment type and body parts linked to the equipment table so that you know which body parts each equipment works out, so you know which ones you will be using for a certain class. I also, underneath the equipment table, I have the workout table, which is linked to your workout class equipment table so that you know which equipment is used for each workout. In the middle here, I have your class schedule, which the workout is linked to that in the trainer, so you know which type of workout it is and then which trainer will be teaching that. And lastly, I have the class list table, which is linked to the customer and the workout schedule, so you know which customers are in that class. The membership level table is over to the far right here, and that's linked to your customer table, so you know which membership level they are in their status. There are attributes in each table and that are specific to that table. Like your workout class schedule, we have the name of the class, the workout that you will be doing for that class, the length, date and time, max size, and trainer ID. And every table is has attributes specifically for that. So next we have different ways of inputting data into your system. I have a stored procedure here in which you can enter the customer's information or person, whether it be an employee, a new employee, or a new customer. You add in to it the name, these different fields for a name, street address, city, state, zip code, and then you just click the execute button, and it will add it to the table. As you can see right here, at the end, I have Ving Tumani added to your database. And if a certain field isn't filled out, even just one, it will send up an error saying missing data cannot insert. Next, I have a way of updating your information. Say the address was wrong. This is just a way to update your address. If the person I use the first name of the person and last name of the person to so that as a parameter of searching for who's the person you need to update the address for. And here's 717 Jefferson is the address we're going to update it to. And as you can see right here, Jordan Tumani, his address has been updated to 717 Jefferson Street. If the person does not exist in the database, you will get an error saying no records to update or delete. And you won't be able to update it until you have the right names. Here is another way I created a procedure to update or to add a new class to your schedule. Just from a flat file, you enter the information in a text file like this, and you load it up into the SSIS program. Click execute, and it will add it to the database into this workout class schedule table. As you can see, extreme cycling has been added to here, and it gives you the time, date, max size, your workout IDs and trainer IDs, so that you can link it to those tables and know which workout and trainer is for that schedule. Here are a couple of views. This first view is for the workout schedule. This is a quick, easy way to pull out which classes you have, the name of the trainer, the workout name, and the length, date, and time, and stuff like that. So this is a quick and easy way of outputting the information to you. Here's another view for outputting the workout equipment. So you know which equipment you need for each class. As you can see here, boxing you have boxing gloves, working out your arms, and then the other boxing club also uses jump rope. Another output data here. I have created a report, and this report shows you which customers are in the classes, what level they are for their membership level, and the status. And you can see Boxing 101. The workout name is Boxing, and you have these customers in the classes. In conclusion, I have created a database design flow that I feel best fits your business. I have created a couple of views and and a report to view or output your data, and some procedures in SSIS for input. Thank you for the opportunity for me to do this for your business.